Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix unusual activity has been detected from your device in ChatGPT. Alright, let's begin. This issue is usually caused by problems with your device or browser settings. The first thing to try is logging out of ChatGPT and logging back in. Tap your profile icon, select Log Out, then sign in again to see if the issue is resolved. If that does not work, the issue might be caused by browser extensions. Open your browser, go to the Extensions menu, and disable extensions one by one. Click the three dots next to each extension and remove them until you find the one causing the problem. Certain extensions, like Phantom Wallet, can interfere with some websites. If you use Phantom Wallet or similar security-related extensions, disabling them may help resolve the issue. So that's basically how you can fix unusual activity has been detected from your device in ChatGPT. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.